Hello guys, good morning. Today is January 23rd, 2025 and it's 9:57 a.m. dito sa amin. I'm sorry if I'm not able to update you about the AOS process, but here we go. Someone messaged me on TikTok asking kung how it looks like the I-94. So I took a picture ng aking I-94 na dinownload ko lang sa official website nila, and here it is po. Sa taas, nandun yung date and yung time. And then, it says there I-94 official website. And meron siyang US Customs and Border Protection. And nakalagay most recent I-94. And then, admission I-94 record number. So, original number yan naka-allocate or identified for you. And then, meron siyang most recent date of entry. So, pumunta ako dito sa United States, March 4, 2024. And then, class of admission is K1 po. And then, admit until date. So, nakalagay po dyan yung date kung hanggang kailan yung validity niya. And then, details provided on the I-94 information form. So, yung last name ko, nung dalaga pa ako, which is yun din yung nakalagay sa passport ko. And then, yung first name or given name, date of birth. So, nakalagay yung month, date, and year. And then, country of citizenship. So, Philippines. So, ayan lang po. That's how it looks like. If you have any other question, like having difficulty on how to make the document number po, yan is yung passport number nyo. So yun lang. If you have difficulty again looking for I-94, like siguro nag-iisip kayo, do I have to get it from the port of entry? Hindi po ako naka-receive nun. Actually, nung naghahanap ako nitong form na to for the AOS packet, inisip ko kung pupunta ba kami doon sa port of entry at hihingi kami doon. So, nag-search lang ako online and luckily, free naman to siya. So, type niyo lang yung official website and then i-follow niyo lang yung steps. If you need a tutorial, I am going to make it. Just comment down below or message me on TikTok. Have a good day. Bye-bye.